Hey everyone, Manny here from Unreal Custom Designs, and today we're going to talk about adding some sparkle to your designs with our rhinestone transfers. We offer a huge variety of colors, and these transfers are perfect for giving your custom apparel that extra shine. I'll show you how easy it is to apply them. So let's get started. Here's a look at some of the rhinestone colors we offer. Crystal, Crystal AB, Pink, Cyan, Orange, Topaz, Citrine, Peridot, Green, Peacock Blue, Aquamarine, Capri Blue, Cobalt, Amethyst, Tanzanite, Smoked Topaz, Black Diamond, and Jet Black. Whether you're going for a bright, bold look or something more subtle, there's a color for every design. Just imagine how much of these rhinestones can elevate your custom apparel. Alright, let's prepare our transfer. We'll set our heat press to 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 seconds. The rhinestones will adhere securely to the fabric, creating a long, lasting, and dazzling design. Now let's apply our parchment paper. It's as simple as pressing and peeling, and you'll have a sparkling custom piece ready to go. Now let's peel. And look at that, a nice, beautiful, sparkling design. Rhinestones are perfect for adding a touch of glamour to t-shirts, tote bags, or even hats. They're great for team uniform, special events, or just adding a little sparkle to your everyday apparel. Possibilities are endless. Mix and match colors to create custom logos, patterns, or even holiday-themed designs. That's how easy it is to add sparkle to your designs with our rhinestone transfers. Ready to try it yourself? Head over to unrealcustomdesigns.com or ilovedtf.com to check out all the colors we offer. Use code SPARKLE15 for 15% off your order. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what designs you'd love to create with rhinestones. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.